In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Google Calendar. By the end, your Calendly events will sync automatically with your Google Calendar, preventing double bookings and keeping everything in one place. Start on your Calendly home screen. Then open the Integrations and Apps sections. This is the central hub where Calendly connects to the tools you already use. If you don't see it right away, look for it in your main navigation or settings area. Make sure you're signed into the Calendly account you want to link, so the connection applies to the correct profile. Inside Integrations and Apps, find the Google Calendar option and select it. This opens a details page that explains what the integration does and prepares you for the quick connection flow. You'll use this to let Calendly read your availability and add confirmed meetings to your calendar automatically. Next, choose Connect Calendar Account. A Google sign-in window will appear. Pick the Google account that holds the calendar you rely on, then review and allow the requested permissions. Calendly asks for access to view your calendars, to check conflicts, and to create and update events, so confirmed bookings appear instantly. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check you're selecting the right one. If the window doesn't show, temporarily disable any pop-up blockers. On work or school accounts, your admin may need to approve the app before you can finish. After you grant access, Calendly takes you back to your calendar settings. Here's where you fine-tune how the connection works. Choose which Google calendars. Calendly should check for conflicts. Select every calendar that could contain busy time, such as personal, work, or shared calendars. Then, choose the destination calendar where new events will be added. Most people pick their primary work calendar so everything lands in a single, reliable place. Take a moment to confirm your time zone in your Calendly profile matches Google Calendar. This helps ensure the times guests see and the times that appear on your calendar are perfectly aligned. If you use conferencing tools like Google Meet or Zoom, make sure your event types are set to add the meeting link automatically so your guests get everything they need in the confirmation. That's it. Your Calendly is now connected to Google Calendar. You can revisit these settings anytime to switch calendars, adjust conflict checks, or disconnect if needed. With this setup, bookings stay organized, accurate, and up to date, so you can focus on your meetings, not your scheduling.